Good day, viewers. My name is Mr. Sharif, the class teacher for year 2. Welcome to our online learning platform. Today we'll be looking at mathematics, and our topic on that will be perimeter and area of parallelogram. We all know what the parallelogram is. So our focus on this will be for today we'll be looking at the perimeter of the parallelogram. Now let's look at the meaning of the word parallelogram. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. Distance around the what? A two-dimensional shape. Now you might be confused by what did I mean by dimensional shape. Dimensional shape is any shape that you can lay flat. Any shape that you can lay flat is known as what? A two-dimensional shape. Shapes like your square, your rectangle. Parallelogram is also an example of two-dimensional shape. They can be laid flat on a surface. Those are what? Two-dimensional shape. So the perimeter means what? The distance around. Take this parallelogram for instance. The area around it here makes up the what? The perimeter. That is from here to this side, down here, then back to this side. Makes up the what? The perimeter. So how do we calculate the perimeter of parallelogram? The formula for that is given as P, which stands for what? Perimeter, equals to 2 inch brackets width. This W here stands for what? Width, plus the base, which is B. I'm going to show you this on the picture. Now this is a picture of a parallelogram. Down here is the base. Here is the width, and this shows the what? The height. This dotted line shows the height of the parallelogram. We are going to be working with all of these properties, that is the base, the width, and the height, as we move on. So remember, formula for perimeter is what? P equals to perimeter of parallelogram equals to P equals to 2 inch bracket the W, which stands for width, plus base, which is B. Now let's do some example. The first question says the base of a parallelogram is 25 centimeter and the width is 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Now this is a straightforward question. We don't really need to disturb ourselves. It's a straightforward question. Just go for the formula, which says P equals to 2 inch bracket W plus B. Remember, our W is the what? Is the width. Our B is the base. So let's interpret this into our question. So we have P, which is what we are looking for, 2 inch bracket. From the question, our width is what? Our width is 20. So we have 20 plus, from the question, our B, which is the base, is what? Is 25 centimeter. So we have 25 centimeter. Everything is in centimeter. Then we have our perimeter, which is P, what we are looking for. Now you already know that bracket means what? Multiply. But before we do that, let's solve what is inside the bracket first. 2 inch bracket. Now 20 plus 25, that should give us 45. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter. Now, like I said, we already know bracket means what? Times. So let's interpret that. So we have P equals to 2 times 45. So we have P equals to 5. Now 2 times 5, our multiplication. We have 45, 2. Let me write that out. 2 times 5. Then write 0, keep 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. We have what? 90 centimeter. So for this question now, our perimeter will be what? 90 centimeter. Remember, we are solving for perimeter, so the answer means what? In centimeter. But if it is area of any shape, it will be what? Centimeter square. But let's stay with this. Perimeter is what? Centimeter. Again, let's go through it again. 2 inch bracket W plus B as our formula. Then interpret the questions and the values given into the formula. So we have 2 inch bracket, W is what, 20, plus our base, which is what, 25. So do the one in bracket first. So we have 2 inch bracket, 20 plus 45, 25 equals what, 45. So bracket means what, times. So we have P equals to 2 times 45. So our final answer will be what, 90 centimeter. Now this question might come in different, or can come in different ways. You might be given the perimeter and you'll be asked to find the width. You might be given the perimeter and the height. You'll be asked to find the width. You might be given the height and the perimeter, or the width and the perimeter. Then you have to look for the width. Let's take a look at a question like that. In our second question, we have find the base. In this case, we are looking for the base of a parallelogram having a width of 20 centimeter and its perimeter is 90 centimeter. Now we are looking for the base. We've been given the width and we've been given the perimeter. You don't need to be scared or afraid. We are still working with the same formula. So just write out the formula. P equals our solution. P equals to 2 into bracket W plus B. Remember, our W is the what, width, B is the base. So we have P. In this case, our P is given as what? Perimeter is what? 90 centimeter. So instead of writing P, we replace that with what? 90 equals to 2 into bracket. Width, our width is what? Are we given width here? Okay, 20 centimeter. Plus B. Are we given the base? No, that is what we are looking for. So let's leave that at B. So we have 90 equals to. Now we are going to be using this value here to open this bracket. Using this value here to open this bracket. So we have 2 into bracket O. So before that, we want to open this bracket, so let's multiply. Since bracket means multiply, so 2 times 20, that should give us 40, plus 2 times B, we have what? 2B. I can remember in the previous class I said any number multiplied by the letter will give you the combination of the two values. That is, when we have A times 2, we have what? 2A. 3 times B, we have what? 3B. So that is what we've applied here. 2 times B should give us what? 3B. So that brings us to the next step. Now we are here. We have 90, which is the perimeter. 40, what we go from opening the bracket, then 2B. The next thing we are going to do now is collect the like terms. That is, separate the numbers that is having alphabets from the numbers that is not having alphabets. That's those that are alike. So for that we have 90, 40. This 40 here, when it comes to this side, it changes to what? Is a positive here. Is a positive number here. But by the time it comes here, it should turn to what? Negative. So we have minus 40 equals to 2B. I'll come back again. We have something like this. 90 equals to 40 plus 2B. Collect the like terms. So we have 90 minus this 40 will come to this side. Come here. Come to this side. So we have what? Minus 40. So we can continue. 90 minus 40 should give us 50 equals to what? 2B. We've been doing something like this. So we do what? Remember, we have to what? Divide by the coefficient, that is numbers that is with what? B. So we divide by 2, divided by 2. Do you get that? Now let's divide 2, 1, 2 here, 1. So we are left with this 2 here, 1. How many 2 can we see in 50? I told you can do that one after the other. 2 in 5 will give us what? 2. Remainder 1. 2 in 10 give us 5. So therefore our B will be equals to what? 25. So we've gotten our base to be 25. Now looking at these two questions, you'll find similarities in them. How? Our base here is what? 25. Our width here is what? 20. And our perimeter we got here is what? 90. I did that purposely because to make sure that you understand that the question will come in different formats. The questions will come in what? In different formats. So no matter how it comes, by the time you look for the perimeter, you should get the what? The same answer. Do you get that? So this should be where we stop. We are going to stop for now. Remember, the formula for perimeter is what? 2 inch bracket W, which is the width. To our home drill, find the perimeter of the following parallelogram with the following sides. B, the base is what? 20 centimeter. Our width is 15. B, our base is 12 centimeter. Our width is 5 centimeter. Then the third one, B, our base is what? 7 centimeter. Our width is 12 centimeter. D, our base is what? 8 centimeter. Our width is 14 centimeter. Now find the height of the parallelogram below. In this case, we've been given the perimeter to be 32. So you have to look for the height. So with this, we've come to the end of the class. I'd like to say thank you for listening.